Are you ready to improve your English today? Do you want to learn how to speak naturally while learning about life? Welcome to the English Learning Podcast. Our mission is simple. We provide easy, slow, and natural English conversations for beginners. Today, we discuss a topic everyone loves: healthy habits. Let's join our hosts, David and Chloe.
Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Chloe, and today we are going to talk about healthy habits.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
David here, and I must say, Chloe, you look very healthy today.
Thank you, David. I feel very healthy.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did. I slept for 8 hours.
Wow, 8 hours. That is a dream for me.
Why? Do you stay up late?
Yes, I often stay up until midnight.
Oh, that is not a good habit, David.
I know, I'm trying to change.
That is why we are talking about this today, to help you and our listeners.
Exactly. For complete beginners, what is a habit?
A habit is something you do every day without thinking.
Like drinking water?
Yes, or brushing your teeth.
Okay, so today we want to talk about healthy habits.
Right, habits that help our body and mind.
What is your first habit in the morning, Chloe?
I drink a big glass of water.
Just water? No coffee?
No coffee for the first hour.
Is that difficult?
At first, yes, but now I love it.
Why water first?
Our body is thirsty after a long sleep.
I didn't think about that.
It is like giving your body a fresh bath.
That sounds nice. A fresh bath for the body.
Yes, then I go outside for 5 minutes.
Even if it is cold?
Yes, the sunlight tells my brain it is time to wake up.
Oh, that is interesting.
It's called natural light.
Sunlight is very healthy.
It is. It gives us energy.
I usually stay inside with the lights off.
That is why you feel sleepy.
You are right. I need the sun.
We all need a little sun.
What about breakfast?
Breakfast is very important for energy.
I usually eat a donut.
Oh, David, no.
Is a donut bad?
A donut has too much sugar.
But it is so delicious.
I know, but it makes you tired after 1 hour.
That is true. I feel a crash.
Yes, a sugar crash.
What should I eat instead?
Try oatmeal or eggs.
Oatmeal sounds boring.
You can add fruit like strawberries or bananas.
Oh, I love bananas.
Bananas make everything taste better.
And they are yellow and happy.
Yes, they are.
So water first, then sun, then healthy breakfast.
Yes, that is a perfect morning routine.
Routine. That is a good word.
Yes, a routine is a set of habits.
Like a plan for the day.
Exactly.
Chloe, do you walk in the morning too?
Yes, I walk for 15 minutes.
15 minutes is not long.
No, but it is enough to wake up the heart.
That sounds fun.
Do you have a park near your house?
Yes, there's a small park.
You should go there. The trees are beautiful.
I will try that tomorrow morning.
Good. You can listen to English while you walk.
Oh, a double healthy habit.
Yes, healthy body and healthy mind.
I love that idea.
Me too.
If you're enjoying our morning routine talk, please like this video.
Yes, and tell us, do you drink water or coffee first?
I want to know. Please write in the comments. Okay, David, let's talk about the afternoon. The afternoon is hard because I am at work.
Many people feel tired at 3 p.m.
Yes, I call it the afternoon slump.
Slump, that's a funny word.
It means feeling slow and low energy.
What do you do when you feel a slump?
I usually eat chocolate.
David, again with the sugar.
I can't help it, Chloe. I am hungry.
You should try nuts instead of chocolate.
Nuts? Like peanuts?
Yes, or almonds.
Do they give energy?
Yes, they have healthy fats.
Healthy fats? That sounds strange.
Fats are not always bad.
Really?
Our brain needs fat to work.
Wow, I am learning so much today.
Almonds are a great snack.
They are crunchy too.
I like crunchy snacks.
Me too. Much better than soft donuts.
Let's talk about sitting.
I sit for 8 hours at my desk.
That is very long, David.
I know. My back feels like an old man's back.
Huh, you need to move.
But I am busy. I am typing.
You can stand up for 1 minute.
Just 1 minute?
Yes, stand up, touch your toes, and reach for the sky.
Okay, let's do it now.
Okay, stand up.
I am standing.
Now reach up high.
Ah, that feels good.
Now try to touch your shoes.
Oh, I can't reach my shoes.
Haha, that means you need more stretching.
You are right. I am very stiff.
Stiff. That means not flexible.
I am like a piece of wood.
You need to be like a rubber band.
That is my new goal. Be like a rubber band.
It's a good goal.
Does walking at lunch help?
Very much. I walk for 20 minutes at lunch.
Where do you eat?
I bring a lunchbox from home.
What is inside?
Usually a salad with chicken.
Salad? Is that enough food?
I add beans and avocado too.
Oh, avocado is very popular.
It is a healthy habit food.
Is it a fruit or a vegetable?
Actually, it is a fruit.
Wow, that's a surprise.
It is full of vitamins.
I will buy one today.
Make sure it is soft.
Okay, I will look for a soft avocado.
Good. Now, what about the supermarket?
I love the supermarket.
When you go, stay on the outside walls.
Why?
The fresh food is on the walls.
Oh, the fruit and the vegetables.
Yes, and the meat and the eggs.
What is in the middle?
Usually boxes of cookies and soda.
So the middle is the danger zone.
Yes, avoid the danger zone.
That is a very smart tip for beginners.
It helps you shop faster and healthier.
I usually spend 30 minutes in the cookie section.
No more, David. 1 minute for fruit instead.
Okay, I promise.
It's all about making small choices.
One choice at a time.
Yes, that apple looks better than that candy bar.
I will choose the apple.
Perfect.
This is very useful. David, we have many listeners today. Let's do some learning. Yes, let's talk about the words we used. We used the word avoid. Avoid the danger zone. What does avoid mean?
It means stay away from.
Like, I avoid eating too much salt.
Yes, I avoid looking at my phone in the dark.
Oh, that is a hard one for me.
We also talked about crash.
Like a car crash?
In health, it means when your energy goes down very fast.
After the sugar?
Exactly. I had a sugar crash after the donut.
Got it. What about grammar?
Let's talk about should and shouldn't.
You should drink water.
You shouldn't eat donuts every day.
We use these to give advice.
Right. Give me an advice sentence for the listeners, David.
You should listen to this podcast every day.
That is the best advice. What about you, Chloe? You should try one new vegetable every week.
Oh, that is fun, like a game.
Yes, maybe try a purple carrot or a green bean.
A purple carrot? Does that exist?
Yes, they are very tasty.
I will look for one in the supermarket.
Let's talk about pronunciation.
Muscle. The C is quiet.
Correct. Don't say muscle.
Just muscle, like the sea animal.
Yes, it sounds exactly like a sea mussel.
Muscle. Exercise builds muscle.
Perfect.
And what about fruit?
Fruit. The I is quiet.
Fruit, not fruit.
Yes, just one sound, fruit.
I like fruit.
We know, David, you like bananas.
Ha, true. Let's move to mental health.
Being happy is a habit, too.
Yes, stress is not healthy.
I get stressed when there is too much work.
Do you breathe? Of course I breathe. If I don't breathe, I die.
No, I mean deep breaths.
Oh, deep breaths.
Slow down. Breathe in for 4 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And breathe out.
Wow, I feel calmer already.
That is a 5-second healthy habit.
I can do that anywhere.
In the car, in the office, even in the shower.
I love that. Simple and free.
And let's talk about the phone one last time.
The phone, my best friend and my worst enemy.
It's the blue light.
Is the light really blue?
Yes, and it tells your brain it is 12 p.m.
Even if it is 11 p.m.
Exactly, so your brain won't rest.
This is why I have bags under my eyes.
Bags? Like shopping bags?
No, dark circles.
Yes, bags under the eyes. That means you are tired.
I will put my phone in the kitchen tonight.
Good. Buy a book.
A real book with paper?
Yes, paper books have no blue light.
That's a classic habit. I like it.
Chloe and David ending our healthy day.
It's been a long journey from donuts to water.
I am proud of you, David. You learned many habits today.
Thank you, Chloe. And I learned many English words too.
For our listeners, don't forget to subscribe.
Yes, subscribe and join us for our next lesson.
What are your weekend plans, David?
I am going to buy a purple carrot and a paper book.
Perfect. I'm going to the park.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you, everyone, for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.